you want to give a snap for Pransu, you want to give a snap for C and data structure for BARC, fine.
Yes, sir.
So before moving on the technical subject, let me please tell me about yourself.
Sir, I am Priyanshu from Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. I have done my B.Tech from Roorkee Institute of Technology in Computer Science branch, and I have given the GATE exam 3 times and got best score as 588 and have All India rank 1430. I have I have also qualified. I have also done my schooling from BWEL Public School, Bareilly. I am also have an experience of 1.7 years in Byju's exam prep as a GATE contact associate in computer science category. And currently, I am preparing for the BARC.
Okay, so can you just tell me why you want to join BARC? What is the motivation behind joining the BARC?
So when I preparing the interview for the DRDO, then I have studied the subject 5 subject very preciously and also face the interview of the DRDO, which uh, which uh, uh, which make me a lot of motivated towards the interview facing for the research and development. So I want to give BRC so to see how the technical question they have asked and how they have to analyze the uh, what they want in the scientific officer. As I have missed in the DRDO interview, but this interview I not have to miss. So I am preparing for it
No, why
vigorously.
you want to join BARC?
Sir, because sir, when I studying, sir, I have see some of the areas for the research and development which I have to go. As in algorithm, I have an interest. So, sir, I want to research in the algorithm department. So, I want to join BRC to pursue my.
Research in the algorithm department means why? Whenever you are trying to solve a problem, the approach you are using is called an algorithm.
Yes.
So algorithm is not a department, I think so. Can you tell me what are the projects going on in BARC right now?
No, no.
Can you tell me what is the main objective of the BARC? In BRC, doing in work in which field?
So, they have in nuclear power plant and atomic research in the field they have working with.
So as
And
a CSE student, what is the role of in BARC?
so we have to nowadays technology going in every field. So for their department also we have to do some technology work.
Can you tell me any work which you can do in BARC?
The research and development we have to do for the new problems that are
What
coming
type of
or
new problems they may face in BRC?
like one problem is of that we have to do that scanner. So when we are going to airport, we have to scan the bags or body. We have to scan as there is no security check. So we have to make the scanner in a AI design manner. In a AI chip, we have to maintain so that we can improve
So
it.
Barc makes the scanner for airport while
No,
entering.
sir. They have to do research and develop research for AI in machine learning. We have to.
Okay, so let's move on the technical part. So can you tell me what is stack?
Stack is the linear data structure, and it is used for the waiting of the program. Generally, we use for to wait the program.
Stack is used to break the program.
Wait, wait, wait
Wait,
the wait the program for some calling program. We have to wait.
okay. What is the property on which stack works?
The leave for last in first out.
Okay, so you mentioned that it is a linear data structure. Can you tell me what do you mean by linear data structure?
So suppose we have to, if we want to implement the stack, we use the array data structure or linked list data structure. Array,
I want to say that what do you mean by linear data structure?
so we can traverse the array in linear fashion, one after the other.
It means random access is not possible.
Yes, sir. So random access is possible.
So fine. So can you tell me the some applications of stack?
Sir, stack infix to postfix we have used, and
What is the
parenthesis.
requirement to convert infix into postfix or prefix?
As in machine, we have to evaluate the expression. So, sir, as we can see the infix expression and see the priority of the uh, operator precedency, we have to see and analyze it. But computer can't understand it, so we have to convert into posted expression so that the computer can evaluate the expression
Why
in one
computer
go.
is unable to evaluate the infix expression?
So what?
Why computer is unable to perform the infix operations without
Sir,
converting into postfix or prefix?
the machine can do infix from infix to evaluation done, but it take large time again and
How?
again. The suppose there is 2 plus 3 cross 5 expression is there. So in the machine in one go do the 3 cross 5 multiplication, and then another go it is to be add. But if we have a posterior expression in one go, we can evaluate the program, one go and evaluate the
Nice.
expression.
Very good. So can you just tell me what is the drawback of stack?
The drawback of stack is, sir, as we if we implement the stack using the uh, array data structure, then it is of static in nature. We can't expand it, or we can't reduce it. If we do so, then again time complexity is increased.
Okay. So can you tell me what is malloc?
Sir, malloc is the function call which give the memory in the heap section. If we want to if we want to take some memory at the runtime, then it gives the memory in the heap area when we call the malloc function. It is used for the linked list to allocate.
In heap area, what are the things which we can store in heap area?
In heap area, uh, dynamic variable or dynamic functions call we can store in the
What is
heap area.
dynamic variable in my program?
Sir, point. So what is dynamic variable?
You say
Sir,
na that it is used to store the dynamic variable.
if we want to if we want to create the dynamic array, we can use it through the malloc. Create is using the malloc,
It means
and
if we
that
want
address we
to
can
give the
store in one variable.
the point is if we want to like take the memory at dynamically, then we can use malloc. Fine. So what is calloc then?
The calloc is used to also is used for the uh, storing the variable in the heap area only.
Okay, so if we move on the like pencil feedback part, so yes, whatever the you have taught already read in the gate syllabus, that is fine, but still you have to go through the basics like what is calloc, what is malloc, what is the drawback of like stack, and in computer applications where we can use stack. Can you tell me where we can use the stack operations in our computer applications?
So like in a back in so like in undo, while using
Very
the
good,
word we
very
do
good.
undo, and in Chrome also
Can you
when we
Very good. Can you tell me, like, what I can say, like drawback of single linked list?
the single linked drawback is, if we want to insert the element at the last, then we have to traverse whole linked list, and then we have to insert at the last.
Fine. So can we implement stack using single linked list?
Yes, sir, we can implement.
Okay, so how you can delete at that moment of time? How you can delete an element?
Sir, generally we in stack we delete we store the array in such a manner that we can push it from the start. Once we push, then again we push on start, again push, then we after when we delete, then from the start we have to delete so that the
Very good.
complex.
So if we talk about Pranchu, so your basics are very good. So one area you have to work on that your confidence level and the way of delivery. Fine. Yes, yeah, I think you are not bit comfortable that much in your English part. So even though it is not like highly weighted things, so major things, but still if you can practice some same thing for like in a day long for 2 or 3 or 4 times, then I think it's better for you. Okay, otherwise if we talk about the basics of data structure, you are in like bit comfortable, and you whatever they you give me the answer, those all are satisfactory answers. Fine. So please practice on the some English part, how to deliver the solutions. So please first of all you have to think about the problem or think about the solutions, then start delivering instead of attacking on the answer. Okay,
Okay, sir.
fine. So would you
Sir,
like to ask?
sir, yes, sir, sir. In Barc, sir, if I speak in Hindi and sometimes I use English, then it cause
That is
any.
fine. That is fine. That is even not that much, but still, if you want to go with English, that is far better. But if you are a bit comfortable with Hindi and English, and I can call it as English, then you can go with that.
Okay,
Fine.
yes, sir. Sir, one